Out of it that this is the first time in the history of StepIn someone has actually talked about Salesforce testing as a field. So this is a very good thing for me. Major change that I found is the kind of a network that StepIn has created over the last year. They are actually ruling the market in terms of, you can say that, in terms of networking, in terms of creating awareness about software testing, in terms of the least, whenever as a tester I'm not be able to understand the requirement, a confusing mind. So this is my...
Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. Today we have Mr. Gandharv Madan. He is a tester and he creates content around Salesforce testing. He has joined us at APEC's largest software testing conference, StepIn Summit 2024. Hi Gandharv, thank you so much for joining us. Please share your experience. What made you to attend StepIn Summit as one of our speakers and what was your topic?
Okay, so thank you so much StepIn team, first of all for the opportunity. I have learned so many skills. First is your network is your network. That I have done so many type of networking over there. Newbie to Ninja, how you can start your journey as a Salesforce tester. And there are so many learnings in this, you can say the StepIn. Cultural wise, things are sorted. Management wise, things are sorted. Lots of good speakers were there and attendees and number of things are there. So thank you so much StepIn for this opportunity once again.
That's glad to know, Gandharv. I hope you are having a great time.
Yes.
How has the experience evolved with you? What are the changes, major differences you see?
So many changes. If I'm talking about the changes, there are endless. But the major change that I found is the kind of a network that StepIn has created over the last year. They are actually ruling the market in terms of, you can say that, in terms of networking, in terms of creating awareness about software testing, in terms of creating awareness about software testing as a culture and how it is actually important. So this is my personal observation as of now.
Thank you so much, guys. And if you want to get associated with us, you can contact us. The contact details are in the caption. Please reach out to us. And so, yeah, now coming to the fun question,
Okay.
Gandharv. So, if you want to tell people and about testing in 3 emojis, what would those emojis be?
Okay. First of all, smiley emoji. If each and everything is working fine. One is shocking emoji. When
You can react as well, I mean, with the emojis.
I'm not a good reactor, so please count me out for the but no issues. But the second part is shocking when that particular bug is found in production. And last but not the least, whenever as a tester I'm not be able to understand the requirement, a confusing mind. So these is my 3
Nice.
emojis. Yes.
Thank you so much. And last but not the least, as you see that AI is everywhere,
Yes.
and we need to embrace technology to go ahead in our career. So what do you think how Gen AI, as having global certification courses like Gen AI in testing, how it is helpful to testers, and should testers take this?
Okay, there are multiple things and I have a very, you can say that bold call for this particular thing. Learn AI but don't forget testing first. So there are 2 different things. There are a number of courses available. I think Verity is also providing one of the great courses. But first understand that testing is a platform first, and then how you think that you can take an advantage with the learning of 2 things, AI and Gen AI. Both are 2 different things. So yes, this is my call. People have to take different courses, but with a practical mindset that should be present at any course. So this is my call.
Thank you so much, Gandharv, and thank you for mentioning Verity, guys. If you want to know more about this course, you can reach out to us. The details are also in the caption. So yes, Gandharv, it was wonderful talking to you, and hope we continue this relation.
Sure.
And we look forward to seeing you next year as
Sure.
well.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much,
Thank you.
Gandharv. Thank you.